Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to make a presentation about computer-based inventory management in the manufacturing industry. Inventory management is a critical aspect of manufacturing operations, influencing the overall efficiency and profitability of companies. Traditionally, manual record-keeping methods led to human errors, inefficient processes, and increased optional costs. However, with the advancement in computing technology, manufacturers can now leverage computer-based systems to overcome these challenges and optimize their inventory management. Inventory management by computer-based systems automate and integrate various inventory-related processes, providing real-time visibility and controls over inventory. Through power algorithms, data analysis, and machine learning techniques, manufacturers can optimize inventory levels, forecast demand, track stock movements, and manage supply relationships. By centralizing and automating these tasks, manufacturers can achieve accuracy, efficiency, and responsiveness in their inventory management operations. One of the key functionalities in demand forecasting, computer systems Computer systems can analyze historical sales data, market trends, and other factors to generate correct demand forecasts. This enables manufacturers to optimize their inventory levels, reduce carrying costs, and minimize the risk of stockouts or overstocks. Another essentiality is the optimization of reorder points. Computer-based systems continuously monitor inventory levels and determine the optimal reorder point for each item. This avoids disruptions in production. Patch and lot tracking is another significant case. Computer systems and algorithms enable manufacturers to track batches or lots throughout the production and distribution processes. This enhances product quality control and facilitates recall. Furthermore, it's important the strength of supply chain integration. By integration inventory management systems with suppliers, distributors, and other stakeholders, manufacturers can achieve real-time data exchange, improving collaboration and visibility across the supply chain. This integration enhances inventory planning, order fulfillment, and supplier performance management. To illustrate the practical application of computer-based inventory management, it's presented a scenario on just-in-time inventory management. JIT aims to minimize inventory levels by receiving materials from suppliers exactly when needed for production. Computer systems play a seminal role in JIT, facilitating communication, coordination, and synchronization among suppliers, manufacturers, and customers. Real-time data sharing enables accurate demand forecasting, efficient production planning, and seamless coordination of material deliveries. Efficient production planning and seamless coordination of material deliveries resulting in reduced inventory holding costs and increased overall operational efficiency. In conclusion, these systems highlights the immense potential of computer-based inventory management systems in transforming the manufacturing industry. By leveraging advanced algorithms, data analysis, and integration capabilities, manufacturers can achieve significant improvements in their inventory management processes. I urge you all to embrace computer-based solutions to optimize inventory-related processes, reduce costs, improve customers' satisfaction, and increase competitiveness in the market. Thank you for attention.